Welcome! In front of me I have a Huawei Watch 4 Active, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the sleep mode or bedtime mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the Chrome button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this. This is the sleep mode icon, and to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm. And that's how it looks like. And what the sleep mode does is basically it disables all of the notifications for the apps, phone calls and stuff like that, disables rise to wake function, and also turns your watch to the simple mode, so basically you have access only to time and date, and you can't use the widgets and stuff like that. So basically it will prevent mistouches on the screen. And to disable the mode, simply wake up the screen, then open the quick panel, tap on the icon, and it will be disabled. So that's how you enable and how you disable the sleep mode or bedtime mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.